Hello.
Hello, sir. Good
Hi,
evening, sir.
Sarla. Good evening. How are you?
I'm doing great, sir. What about you?
I'm doing fine. Thank you for asking me. So, Sarla, you and I are meeting for the first time on EnglishYaari, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. So nice meeting you. First of all, tell me something about yourself. Let me get to know you better, Sarla.
Sure, sir. Hi,
Yeah,
sir.
go
My
ahead.
name. I'm from the state of Andhra Pradesh. I'm currently pursuing my final year graduation with BSc Computers. And coming to my hobbies, in my spare time, I love to listen to music and spending time with my family members and reading books and traveling. So this is all about me.
Exciting. This sounds very energetic. That's a very energetic introduction of yourself. Very good introduction. Okay,
Thank you so.
so let me see if I can match your pace. Now it's my turn. So, Sarla, my name is Kishore Gurbani. I belong to Jaipur, Rajasthan, and for close to 8 years now, I've been helping people like you to improve their communication skills in English. Right? So,
Okay,
I've
sir.
trained people of all age groups to help them improve their communication skills. So, my youngest student has been 7 years old, and the oldest student that I've worked with in terms of age is 76 years old. So I've worked with people of all age groups, right? So this is a very simple introduction about myself. Yours was definitely more interesting. So,
Yeah.
Sarla, first of all, let's talk about your city, your hometown. So, what can you tell me about your hometown?
Yeah. I'm from the state of Andhra Pradesh. I'm currently living in Kodmur, which is in Karnool district.
Kurnool
So it's a
district.
yeah.
Okay, so I've been to Kurnool. I believe I've been to Kurnool 2 or 3 times. I had a relative living there many years back, so I've been there twice. Right? You are talking about
Okay.
Kurnool, right? Kurnool.
Yeah, yeah, sir. Karnool.
So, do you know Kurnool? Have you been there?
Yeah, yeah, sir. I know Karnool and I pursuing my final year graduation there.
Okay, so my relative stayed at Gibson Colony. I don't know whether you know or you have heard about Gibson Colony. So there was a colony, or there is a colony in Kurnool, and this is where my relative stayed. Right?
Yeah, okay, okay, sir. There are a lot of crop places is there and
Hmm.
greenery. Much more on greenery in my hometown. And
Hmm.
I enjoyed each and every single moment there with my
Hmm.
grandparents and with my
Hmm.
family members.
Hmm.
And
Okay.
talking about my
Yeah, yeah,
village,
go ahead.
there is a temple called Valalamma temple. So it
Hmm.
is a famous in my hometown.
Hmm.
So in Saturdays we go there along with our family members
Hmm.
and just we go in like a tour. So we
Hmm.
can feel like a picnic. So we go there and eat some food there and play with my family and with my cousins and also friends.
Hmm.
So we go every Saturday.
Yes. Now, how long have you been staying in your village for now, Sarda?
Yeah, it's been I think 25 years, maybe.
Okay, 25 years. So, have you seen your village change or develop in the last 25
Yeah, a
years?
lot of things. Yeah, a lot of things. Nowadays, it is quite developing, and a lot of roads are there, and education system also developing there here.
Hmm.
So, and on those days, we don't have that much of facilities like current and power ops and water facilities is not there in our village
Hmm.
now. So it is quite updated,
Hmm.
and we are comfortable here nowadays, and
Hmm.
yeah, it's quite updating.
Hmm. So, if you had the opportunity to change one thing in your village, Sarla, what would you like to change in your village? Hmm.
I would like to change the education system. I mean, in my hometown. So I
Hmm.
want to change it first.
Hmm. Okay. So, why do you want to change the education system? What is the reason for this? Or what kind of changes would you like to introduce?
So we learned each and every single thing in mugged up manner. So we
Hmm.
just learn everything for exam purpose only. So in
Hmm.
future, I want to change uh, each and every single person first understand the concept, then attend the exams and do whatever the things in your life. So I have to change it first. So
Hmm.
and one more thing I want to develop one thing, that is a financial subject I want to put, because so nowadays a lot of people are depending on others earn money.
Hmm.
So that is the thing we have to learn.
Okay. Mugging is actually a word. I'm not saying it's not a word. It's actually an idiom,
Okay,
right?
okay.
Do you
Yeah,
speak
yeah.
Hindi?
No, sir, but I can understand.
So
It will.
idiom, if you know what an idiom is, mugging is actually an idiom. The proper word for this is memorizing. When you sit down and cram things, right?
Okay,
So mugged up is not the right word to use. It's a good word to use to add to your vocabulary, but memorizing is the more appropriate word to use in your sentence, right?
okay. Okay, sir.
Sarah, let's talk about technology. So, okay, first of all, you are an IT student. You are pursuing a course in computers, I believe. This is what you told
Yeah.
me, right?
Yes, sir.
So, why did you choose this particular field? Why not any other field? Why computers in particular?
Because in future everything is in technology based.
Hmm,
So a lot of artificial intelligence will come soon, we have.
hmm.
And I think that in future the whole thing is depends on the technology. So the AIs will rule the world, I think.
AI will rule the world. Okay. So, do you think technology has made life easier for you, or has it made life more difficult and challenging for you?
I think there are in each and everywhere, so there are a lot of pros and cons. So
Hmm.
I think for developing purpose
Okay.
advanced, when we are thinking about artificial intelligence. And coming to cons, employment is reduces, I think.
Hmm.
So work is reduces.
Hmm. If you look at our senior citizens, right, people of your parents or your grandparents' age, for example, do you think they are comfortable using smartphones, laptops, UPI payments, and all of these technologies that we have? What is your opinion about this? Them, but what is your opinion about the elder generation, people 60 years
So
and above?
it is very difficult for them to
Hmm.
survive in this, like in this era.
Hmm.
So they have to learn each and every single. We need to teach them.
Yes, we need to teach them about technology and how to use technology, right?
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
So, have you sat down to teach your parents or your grandparents how to use a smartphone, how to use UPI? Have you ever tried doing this?
Yeah, yeah. I teach my mother.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
how you can use phone pay, and how you can pay your current bills and everything. So
All
I
right.
can
Good.
understand.
Okay. Good. So let's do a very simple activity now, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
I will give you one word, Sarla, and I want you to form three different sentences using the same word, right?
Okay, sir.
So
Okay,
I
sir.
will take part in this activity as well. So I will
Okay, sir.
form the first sentence using this word, and then you have to form your own first sentence using this word. So we will take
Okay.
turns using this word, right? In a
Yes,
sentence.
yes, sir.
I'll form the first sentence, then you have to form your first sentence. I will form my second sentence, and you have to form your second sentence, right?
Okay, sir. Yeah,
Can we
sir.
begin this activity, Sarla?
Yeah, sir.
So the first word is breakfast, all right?
Okay, sir.
I'll form the
Okay.
first sentence. I eat my breakfast every day at 8:30 a.m. in the morning.
Okay.
It is your turn now. I have formed the first sentence. You have to form your first sentence.
I eat my breakfast each and every single day at 7 o'clock.
All right, very good. My turn now. I enjoy having coffee and fruits for breakfast every day. Now it's your turn. Breakfast has to be there in all the sentences that you form.
Okay.
So the second
After
sentence.
Yeah. After completion of my breakfast, so I read some books for a while.
All right, very good. My turn. I enjoy cooking breakfast for my family members during the weekends.
I love to eat breakfast when my mom cooks.
Very good. The second word is shoes, right?
Shoes.
Yes, I'll form the first sentence. I
Okay, sir.
have three pairs of shoes at home. Now it's your turn, Sarla.
So, during my school days, I wore shoes of black color.
Okay. I wore shoes of black color. Very good. My turn now. I lost my shoes when I went to the temple last week. It can
Temple.
be any sentence. You don't have to relate it to your life. I'm
Okay,
only
okay,
looking for how well you can use the word. I have never lost my shoes in the temple. This is just a sentence that I have formed to use the word. So you don't have to relate it personally. You don't have to relate the word to your personal life. I just
okay,
want to
sir.
see how well you can use this word in a sentence of your own.
Okay,
So any simple sentence will do, right? It does not have to be linked to your life necessarily.
okay, sir.
I don't eat
Every
breakfast at 8:30. This is a lie. I don't cook breakfast for my family because I'm very bad at cooking. But these are just examples using the words in sentences, right?
okay, sir. Sure. I like white color shoes. So in my future, I want to buy my shoes with my own money.
Great, very good. Let's move on. The last word for this activity. The last word
Okay.
is computers. And now you will begin sentence formation. You have to form the first sentence using the word computer.
In future, computers will rule the world.
Very good. My turn now. Sarla and I are having a session on English Yari through my computer. This is my sentence. It's your turn now.
Yeah. So I mean, I have to frame the sentences with whatever words I
With the
want,
word
right?
computer. The
Computer.
word
It's
computer has to be there in the sentence. You can form any sentence, but computer has to be part of your sentence.
so in my college, a lot of BSc computer students are there. So went to
Great.
college along with friends.
All right, my turn. I bought a computer for my nephew last week on his birthday. This is the second sentence using the word computer. Now you have to form the last sentence using this word, Sarla, computer.
We had a computer session in yesterday
We had
evening.
Okay, no problem. I'll finish off this activity with my last sentence. So,
Okay.
computers have become an integral part of our life nowadays, right?
Yes. Yeah.
This is the last sentence. So, tell me first of all, how did you enjoy this activity, Sarla?
I love to thinking about new words. I liked it.
So, did you enjoy this activity? Was it hard? Was it easy? How would you describe this activity?
Actually, it is interesting.
It is interesting, but it challenges you to think and form different sentences in the English language, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we will sit down and summarize your session now for you, right?
Okay, sir.
Now, the first thing that I want you to do, Sarla, is to practice sentence formation using this technique. Every day, I want you to choose three simple words and I want you to form three sentences each using the list of words that you form every day. So choose three easy words, do not choose difficult words, and form three different sentences using each word that you want to practice with, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
change your words every day. Salah, do not talk about shoes tomorrow because if you talk about shoes tomorrow, you will end up forming the same sentences,
Okay, sir.
right?
Okay,
So
sir.
there's a purpose why I want you to do this. So let me clearly tell you what you need to do to become a better speaker. The formed very good sentences. Your conversations have been good, but I want you to become better from good. Good is where you are right now. I want you to become a better speaker. If you think you are a better speaker, I want you to become the best speaker. So I'm asking you to push yourself forward from where you are right now as a speaker. Grammar. You need to work a little more on your grammar as well. Do you agree with what I've suggested for you?
Yeah, sir. Definitely. I'll agree. And I definitely work on what you said. I will
Right?
not forget.
So let me make another simple suggestion for you. Sarda, you have all of your videos available on EnglishYaari, right?
Okay.
So after your sessions are over, I want you to watch your videos, listen to yourself speak, and listen to the suggestions given to you by your tutor. This is going to help you form a plan for the future on how you can improve your communication skills.
Sure, sir.
All right, so watch this video, watch your old videos also, listen to yourself speak, analyze your language, and most importantly, listen to the tips given to you by your tutor for a particular session, because this the tips that you receive are where you need to work on the most to become a better speaker, right?
Sure, sir. Yeah, sir.
Great.
Thank you.
So did you enjoy your session, Sarla? Was it a good session for you?
Yeah, sir, I enjoyed a lot. And you said each and everything thing in very patiently.
Hmm.
I like the
So
sessions.
right. So I definitely look forward to meeting you again. Always remember, I'm here on this platform. You'll find me working here for more than 8 to 10 hours every day. So feel free
Okay.
to get in touch, and I would definitely like you to help yourself to improve your communication skills, right? I'm here on
Thank you,
this
sir.
platform. I'm here to help you. So please feel free to connect, right?
No more questions, sir. Thank you so much.
All right. Okay, so great meeting you. Enjoy your evening ahead. Wish you all the best and looking forward to meeting you again on the platform, right? See you
Thank
then.
you.
Have a great evening ahead. Bye.
Bye, sir.